to the jungle.
Hello everyone, it's Captain Bob. This time I'm coming to you from the Everglades National Park. Paradise, my friends, just an angler's paradise. Now, whether you're a client of mine or the Fishing Connections in Tinley Park, or you just enjoy fishing, if you finally decide you want to make that leap into salt water, I've eliminated one of the most challenging obstacles: where to fish and who to fish with. Whenever you travel to another state, you don't know who to contact as far as fishing guides. You're concerned about getting your money's worth or being ripped off. I want to introduce you to a good friend of mine, Captain Mark. Him and I have been doing business together for years. He's the best at what he does. I can assure you, Captain Mark will always take care of my clients when they come down. Now, you can target many species: jack crevalle, ladyfish, trout, tarpon, snook, barracuda, sharks, redfish, bonefish. And if you want to fish for freshwater peacock bass, I have another guide I can also line you up with. Now, if you'd like to watch more highlights from my stay down in the Everglades, scroll down under this viewing window and look for the full-length video link. Enjoy the fishing.
Nice, that's enough line.
That is a beast. Got around your wrist. Okay, lower him some. Just get your head in there. Let me get you a picture. Well done, Bob.
Thank you.
Love that sound.